Hello peoples of the internet that decide to watch me for some weird, wacky reason. One of these days I'm gonna put an edit for where I say wacky, the screen is just gonna spin like those old cartoons would do when they said wacky. So off the bat, sorry if you hear like that serene noise. That's just the PlayStation in the back as my background music for today, as my ambiance music for today. As you can see, there are packages here. So this is going to be one of those stereotypical unboxing slash haul video. So yeah, 3 a.m. I wasted a pretty penny on things that have been sitting in my wish list. And I said, you only die, you know, once in your life, and you only live once in your life. Unless you're Nikki Sixx, then you can die a couple times in your life, I guess. I got my trusty razor. If you guys have questions about why I have a single razor, it's because I'm emo. Ask your emo friends if they have a spare razor, and that'll be the answer to that. So yeah, there's a new little setup. As you can see, the dark hole in the back, that's my child. And let's get into the packages and see what the hell I bought at 3 a.m. But yeah, so how's life been? For me, it's been a non-stop whirlwind of chaos. Can't seem to catch a break. But I feel like that's how I've always been, respectfully. Even growing up, the first friend I made, I would tell them like stories about like what I've gone through at the ripe age of like 12, and they would always say like, your stories, like your whole life's a movie, because shit just always happens to you and you always have some fucking crazy stuff to talk about. And I was like, thank you. And so now I'm realizing, like, as I gotten older, it's just like I'm just complaining more about what happens to me instead of keeping it as lore. So maybe I should start a series on talking about all the crazy stuff that I have been put through. I wonder if y'all would like see that, watch that. It would just embowel this box. Ooh. Wait, do you hear that? ASMR. Thank you, just. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to like watch videos of me talking about like my crazy story times. And like, first thing I got is wireless microphones so that the audio can be less horrible for you guys, and hopefully you guys can only hear me and not the chaos around me, and I won't have to be screaming in my room at 3 a.m. So yeah, now we got this big package, which I'm gonna open this way. My little razor. Anger issues come through. Ooh. First on it, I'm gonna be doing that a lot because my nails are also growing out. I've been wanting a lens for my camera for years now, and I finally decided to splurge on one. This is the 50mm lens from Canon. Since that's the camera that I have, I thought let's just keep it in the family. And I got a little lens. Hopefully it'll look good for you guys in the videos and outside projects for my career path. Fingers crossed. And last but not least, it says warning, related current to a using phone charger with transmission power higher than 5V2A may cause irreversible damage to the lamp. AKA, I record at night a lot of the times because I'm a vampire. So sometimes I look interesting on camera. It is video light kit. I didn't know it was gonna come in this cheesy 5 and below. It's giving like a set that you give your kids when they
say, Mom, I want to be a YouTuber.
And then you buy Jimmy his little set that he's probably gonna throw out once he's given up on life. But yeah, got some lights. Didn't think they would come into this container. Also, I made that as a joke because clearly, like, look where we are. I haven't given up and unalived myself yet, so maybe there's hope. The Canon lens, I think I should check to make sure it's not broken first off. Okay, came in a protective little, do you see that? It's protected by this little plastic. So let me look at this lens. I have a couple lenses, but nothing like this. I have the standard lens that came with my camera, and then I have a macro lens and a telephone, aka fisheye lens, that came with the bundle that I saved up for when I was literally a child. It looks good. The button looks good. Everything on her looks good, except for this red button that looks plasticky, but maybe that's just how it is. Standard. This is so tiny. Mine, the lens that came with my camera has one of these too. Oh my gosh, it attacked me. But it's bigger. But it's okay. Size doesn't matter. But yeah, this looks super cool. It said made in Malaysia. It's very interesting, and it looks like a nice little, everything looks good. I mostly bought these because there's a lot. I've been wanting a mic for ages, and this mic I saw Ethan Nestor and Markiplier use. So I said, you know what? Out of all the ones I'm seeing on here, I'm gonna get the one that looks like theirs. But I guess this is the part. I'm gonna butcher so much technology. I promise I worked in tech for like a good while. Don't come for me. But I'm gonna say this is the receiver, question mark. I don't know the terms. This is what you either plug into your camera or one of your phones. And it should send a signal / catch the audio that's coming from the individual mics, which have little clips on them. Yeah, and they come with their own little mic covers. So the mic's right here, you can cover it and just, and I know y'all have seen people talking with these. I know y'all in the TikTok videos. How about you guys switch your phones? Loyalty test. Who's Steven? So maybe I won't be as chaotic. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just say F it and go on to a like college campus and be like, so, you guys know each other? Let me be the neutral chaos in the world right now. I'll be testing these out. Do you guys want to see a video of me testing out this stuff? Make a mixtape on it or something. Y'all can look out for, my artist name. Throw it on the screen. Look out for my new music coming out with these mics. Thank you. Let's. I think is there tape on this? I don't think there is. I think it's just literally you open this girl up. And it just scraped my chin hair. Free shave, I guess. You never know, maybe I was growing that out. Almost just dropped this. And it is very much, was not cheap. It looks like there's a bag. Oh. Okay. Found it. Oh, she feels like plastic. Y'all hear that? Yeah, she's very much giving plastic. She might overheat and melt. Comes with a little switch. So this is what the lights look like. And it comes with a little switch on here and a connector USB. But yeah, so that's all my goodies. That's all my goodies for today. For today, for tonight, for tomorrow. I don't know where I was going with that. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was a little short, so hopefully it was a little refresher mint moment. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Story time thing I was talking about, if y'all want to see anything like that, let me know or DM me. So thank you guys who have stayed here since the beginning, who have seen the disaster, who have seen me blossom. And to any new people that are watching this, I hope to get to know y'all, or hopefully, I don't know where I was going with that, but stay a bit, get comfy, might just surprise you. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.